At Apple's hardware event this year, the Pro is here with a new redesign. It looks a little different than it did in the previous years. It's got a big camera bar on the back. Apple wants to call it a camera plateau. I won't be calling it that. It's a camera bar. The whole phone is made out of aluminum. Apple shifted back to aluminum from the titanium of previous models for heat dissipation reasons? Question mark. There's ceramic shield on the front and on the back panel. It gives it this kind of two-tone thing going on, but Apple says it's way more durable and resistant to cracking. We've got a new color this year. It's this vibrant orange. Good job, Apple. You found the saturation slider. Love it or hate it, I'm here for a bright color, and it looks pretty good in person. Screen sizes are the same this year. There's a 6.3 inch and a 6.9 inch on the Pro Max. The eSIM only models, which are sold in the US, get a little bit more battery life because Apple crammed as much battery as it could into these phones. Apple's actually claiming these are the biggest batteries on any iPhone ever, and they'll deliver up to 39 hours of video playback. The Pro models this year get a telephoto camera upgrade. It's 48 megapixels now, just like the other sensors on the back of the phone. It's a 4x optical zoom that will do an 8x mode with that kind of crop in optical-ish zoom. Apple says that adds up to 8 different camera lenses in your pocket, and there's 3 camera lenses here, but you have some options. The Pro also gets a selfie camera upgrade. It's the 18 megapixel center stage camera that's on all the 17 models this year. It does that cool thing where it will track you and keep you in the frame, and it's a square sensor this time around, so it will crop to a horizontal view if that works better for you, which is neat. There's also a mode called dual capture, and that records selfie video at the same time as video of whatever you're looking at, so you can cheer for your kid while they're playing softball or something like that. It's very cute. It'll be a fun feature, I think. The iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max will be available for pre-order this Friday, September 12th. They go on sale September 19th. The iPhone 17 Pro starts at $1099. That's for a 256 gigabyte model. Same as last year, but there's no $999 option for 128 gigabytes. The Pro Max starts at $1199, and it goes all the way up to 2 terabytes this year, and that will set you back $2,000. So start saving up. For more on everything Apple announced today, check out theverge.com and let us know what you think in the comments.